Hey everybody, it's Katarina from Dolled Up Desserts. Today we are making pumpkin spice chocolate chip cookies. Once again, I'm coming at you with another dead simple recipe. We're adding legitimately like 4 ingredients to make these super cakey and light and fluffy pumpkin spice cookies. You're gonna love them. They're especially great for back to school lunches, especially because they're nut free, as well as just a snack or pick me up on your back to school, back to grind sort of routine that you're gonna have going on in the fall. Anyways, let's get baking. This recipe is really similar to our confetti birthday cake cookies. You can check out that recipe by clicking on the little information icon above or in the description below. Otherwise, to our mixing bowl, we're going to add in our sunflower oil, and instead of applesauce as our egg replacer, we're going to add in pumpkin. Pureed pumpkin is best for this. Do not use a pumpkin pie mix because that's extra sweet and it's gonna laden these cookies with extra calories you really do not need. Once you've mixed that slightly together, we're going to add in our combination of pumpkin spices, which includes cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice, but you can use cloves if you choose. Once we've mixed all those ingredients together, we're going to pour in our baking mix, stir it up with your spatula. You can also use your hands if you like, especially to make the batter come together. And the last thing, of course, is to pour in those chocolate chips. Make sure they're well dispersed, and then grab a cookie sheet and use a cookie scoop to scoop evenly round cookies onto your cookie tray. These cookies are not going to spread and they're going to rise just slightly, so don't be afraid to keep them pretty close together and push them down so you have a nice large round cookie. You can also scoop them really small. This is a great way to portion control your treats. Just take a couple minutes off of your baking time so you don't over bake them. And once you've portioned your cookies and patted them down, you're going to bake them at 350 degrees for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. 12 minutes if they're large, 10 minutes if they're tiny. I'm filming and releasing this in August, so for me this is a little bit early for pumpkin season, but it is still super delicious. A little hint of pumpkin, a lot of spice, and a perfect fluffy cookie. It's almost like eating a muffin top in many ways, but it's still crispy on the outside like a cookie and super soft and cakey on the inside, like a cookie should be. I cannot be 100% sure, but I am like 98% sure that these are the easiest recipe on our YouTube channel to date. You saw how simple it is. Literally 4 ingredients, put them in the oven and they're done. Freeze them, keep them for snacks, always on the go. These cookies are the best treat for September, especially if you want to get in the mood for pumpkin spice season. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with everything Dolled Up Desserts, gluten-free and vegan recipes, please, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button to stay up to date and informed. And if you do decide to make these pumpkin spice cookies in particular, do not hesitate to share them on social media and tag us at Dolled Up Desserts Baking so we can also see them and share them with everyone on our social media circle. Thanks for watching.